Hey guys, ever since I watched NYC Dave's Mini CQC 15's video, I have always wanted one of these, and it has been really hard to get because it's always out of stock. And luckily, I found it. I used one on the forums, but this one is actually a very in mint condition, so it's you can't even tell it's used. It's probably been carried a couple of times and then just sold it to me. The blade is 154 cm and has a 3.5 inches long blade. The Mini CQC 15, it's a very ergonomical blade. These guards here and here catches your fingers, so in a thrust or a pulling action, the blade will not slide. The G10 is not very aggressive, but if you grip it really hard, it does give you a very good stickiness, I should say. The jimping here is very good, and because of the wave design, it goes up, as you can see here, and your thumb can rest really nicely on top of it. I believe the older version of Mini CQC 15, they don't come with the switch on top here and here. The one with the switch is much better looking. This one is I don't know how if they call it stone washed or satin finished, because I think it's satin finish under here and stone wash finished on top. And this is a model 2010, which is pretty new. The grind is very interesting. I think it's flat, or with a very shallow hollow grind. On the left side of my left side of the grind, it's actually it's all straight grinds, although you may see a descent here, but it's all straight grind. And on this side of the blade, it goes under, and then it has a sharper steep going down grind here. So it's actually, the knife is actually only ground on one side, which is this one. So in a field use, you have to all you have to do is sharpen this side, and just pass the grinding stone over once here on this side, and you'll be ready to go. It's a titanium liner lock. It's very strong, a little bit sticky still, but I think that's good. It's not too much stickiness here. The thumb disc is used to open the knife. You can use it for left and right hand, but the clip is only for right hand use. I think you can order it for left hand use, I'm not sure. The lanyard hole is it has a decent size, not very big, but enough for most paracords. The backspacer here is also G10. It has a half backspacer, so you can still clean up your mess. The wave feature, yeah, it's good, but it's not flawless. because when the knife is in your pocket and you have to pull it out, you actually have to pull it towards the back of the pocket so you can catch the hook. There are two downsides. One is that if you wear your t-shirts out, and if you have a long t-shirt, sometimes when you pulls out and the blades opens, it might catch on the t-shirts, which you don't want that in an emergency situation. That's one downside. The second downside is that you have to pull the knife towards the back, but most of the time your enemy is in your front. So I don't know. There's good and bad about it. You can pull it quick, but the knife is in your back, not in your front. Some other knives that you can just pull it and it's just you'll be ready, pointing the knife towards your enemy, right? But nevertheless, it's a really fun knife to play with. And another downside: if you pull it really quick and not towards the back, sometimes, actually most of the time, you will still catch the edge of the pocket and it will open, but not completely. So if you want the knife out without being without the blade being opened, you have to pull it toward your left side and slowly, which bugs me a little, but it's fine. I can get used to it. Alright, so the blade's not very thick. It's about the right side. I think most Spyderco's size thickness is it's about this thickness. Another weakness is the thumb disc. It's held together by a screw, but I have seen a broken screw before, so this is probably a weakness also, because when the knife falls and hits the disc in a certain position, you can probably break the disc, not the disc, the screw, right? Other than that, the knife's good. It weighs about 4.5 ounces. It's not light, but it's not heavy neither, so it's okay for a tactical knife. That's about it. If you want a great review, please check out NYC Dave's review on this knife. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.